Hi, I'm Rosie from Pet Sense. I'm a clinical animal behaviourist. As people start returning to work, one of the things that we want to make sure of is that our dogs are happy and relaxed when they're left home alone. So the first thing we need to do to understand what our dogs do when they're left alone is to have some sort of camera or set up a phone so that you can record your dogs or watch them live when you're not in the house. Some of the symptoms your dog might show if they're not very happy include pacing, not being able to settle, vocalising such as whining or howling or barking. They might show some destructive behaviour. It might be directed at doors or windows, and they might toilet in the house at times when they're normally quite clean. So if you find that your dog is showing some signs of distress when left alone, you can start to build up your dog being happy to settle in their bed, first of all, when you're home and you're right next to your dog. So the first thing we want to do is to create a really strong positive association with the dog's own bed. So you can see here, I'm just feeding the dog in her bed. So she starts to think that her bed's a really cool place to be. And hopefully, as I do this, she should start to put her whole body in the bed. And once she's getting herself in the bed and settling down in there, we're then going to build up moving around her and leaving the room. Good girl. So once you've built up leaving the room and returning to your dog, you can then start to incorporate leaving the house and returning to your dog. The idea is that they learn to stay settled and relaxed when you're not there, and they learn that you're always returning to them.